put a whole bunch of vegetables, potatoes, carrots, we have some Brussels sprouts here. These are all at the bottom of the pan, and they're actually going to cook in the pork's own natural juices. This is going to be really flavorful. Now I'm going to put some julienne onions. Now this is Berkshire pork. It is hand raised, it is pastured, it comes from the Ozark Mountains in the United States, and it is arguably the best quality pork that you can get. We get this pork from our good friends at D'Artagnan. I'm gonna put about a cup of white wine down where the vegetables are. That's gonna add to the flavor. Now you wanna score that pork fat. Okay, just cut slices into it. On the plate we have some cumin, some dried basil, and some fresh ground black pepper. And then we also have about half a cup of minced fresh garlic. So what you want to do is just simply put in your spices in with the garlic, and then add maybe half a cup or so of olive oil. To season the pork, you sprinkle with salt. The rest of the salt I'll put on the vegetables, and you really want to rub it in, especially into the fat. Okay, get it all in those cracks and crevices, and then you want to season it with all this garlic. Alright, so check this out. Perfectly roasted, so soft and juicy. Oh my god, look at this. Look at that. Look how juicy that is. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your subscriptions help me make more videos.